Hello everyone, welcome to this Windows Command Prompt video series. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use the command prompt to find specific files in directories and folders. To do that, let's launch the command prompt as we normally do. Click on command prompt. Great. Now I have my command prompt window open. I have a folder on my desktop. I will first open it with the File Explorer. This is the folder. It is called AI Dev and it is on my desktop. This is the path to it. I'll minimize this. Now I'm going to navigate to that folder. CD desktop space and space cd space AI dev. Now hit enter. Now I am in the AI dev directory. I'm going to run some command here. First I will run the command ls. Ls stands for list. Hit enter. Great. It shows me now all the files and folders that I have inside the AI dev. And if I open the File Explorer again, all the files here are actually here. I'll minimize this again. I can also run the dir command to find out what I have inside that folder. I will type in here dir and hit enter. Great. It shows all the files and folders that I have inside that directory. These are files and this one here is a directory. If I open it again, yes, my apps is a folder, it is a directory, while other ones are all files. I'll minimize this one again. Let me move this up a bit. Now, I want to find all the files that end with .png. That's all the .png files. To do that, I'll type in here dir space asterisk .png and hit enter. Great. It shows that I have 7 files that end with .png. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if I go to my File Explorer, let me move it here a bit. So all the files that end with .png in this folder are listed in here. Bring this up again and I will move this one up. Now I want to find out all the PowerPoint files in that folder. They end with the .ppts extension. I will do the same thing here, dir space asterisk .ppts. Hit enter. Great. It shows here that I have 2 files in that folder or in that directory that end with .ppts. And to confirm that, they are actually here, this one and this one. So they are both listed here. Let me bring this one up again. What about looking for a file that does not exist in that directory? If I type in here dir space asterisk .au, I know there is no file there called au. Let's hit enter. Exactly. Here it says file not found. It looks into this directory and it cannot find the file. Now I will move this one up a bit again. Let me open the File Explorer again. I have a file here named message.txt and I would want to delete it from the command prompt. To do that, I will type in this command del space the name of the file message.txt. Now hit enter. Great. Now let's check our folder again. Exactly. The file message.txt is not here anymore. Now it's being deleted. Let me bring this up again. I'm going to check now if I have got a video file in that folder. That is .move. I'll say here dir space asterisk .mov. I hit enter. Great. Now it shows that I have one video file in that directory. The name of the file is video and is .mov. So this video was to show you how to use the command prompt to look for certain files in a directory. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.